Hello everyone, my name is Pradnya Gavande, student of Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, BSc final year Biotech. Today I am going to present the seminar on pesticides. Let's talk about the pesticides. Chemicals which are used to kill insects, fungi and weeds are called fungicides. A pesticide can be a chemical, biological agent, antimicrobial disinfectant, it's etc. DDT is a very hard pesticide because it is not easily degraded and destroyed by environment processes. Pesticides no doubt protect the plants from insects, fungi and weeds. Many chemical pesticides are poisonous to human and animals. The classification of pesticides. Pesticides are classified into many classes depending on different criteria. Today we are learning the four of them. Number 1 insecticides, number 2 herbicides, number 3 fungicides, number 4 rodenticides. Number 1 insecticides. What are the insecticides? These are pesticides which are used to destroy insects. These can be of organic origin or inorganic origin. Organic origin insecticides are of two categories. Number 1 organic insecticides. These are stable to light and heat. Example DDT, benzene hexachloride and aldrin. Number 2 phosphate insecticides. These are very poisonous to insects. These insecticides destroy harmful as well as useful insects. Example malathion, parathion, etc. Inorganic origin insecticides. Example are given as arsenic compounds like arsenates of calcium and lead, mercury chloride and calomel act as insecticide. Now the herbicides. Pesticides which are used to destroy unwanted weeds in the crop are called herbicides. Example simazine 240. Selective herbicides kill specific weeds and leave the desired crop unharmed. Some plants produce natural herbicides. Some herbicides are applied to soil prior to planting. Some are applied to soil before the crop emerges and prevent the growth of the weed. Some are applied after the crop has emerged. Few herbicides regulate growth hormone of the plants. They act on the cell membrane and are effective in control of dicot plants. 2,4-D is a synthetic auxin herbicide. Herbicides are widely used in agriculture. Number 3 fungicides. There are many fungi which are responsible for producing plant diseases. Chemicals which destroy such fungi are called fungicides. Example Boradax. Fungi can cause serious damage to agriculture, resulting in losses of yield, quality and profit. Fungicides are used both in agriculture and to fight against fungal infections in animal. Examples of compound used as fungicides. Number 1 tea tree oil, number 2 cinnamon essential oil, number 3 jojoba oil, number 4 neem oil, number 5 rosemary oil, last milk. Number 4 rodenticides. Rodenticides are pest control chemicals which are used to kill rodents. Rodents are usually difficult to kill with poison because their feeding habits are like scavengers. They will eat a small bit of something and wait, and if they don't get sick, they continue. An effective rodenticide must be tasteless and odorless in lethal concentrations and have a delayed effect. Rodenticides are so dangerous that if given in single feed bait, the rodent is killed in first dose only. Synthesis of insecticide. Number 1 malathion. Malathion is a organophosphate insecticide. It is prepared by reacting methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol with phosphorus pentasulfide to get OO-dimethyl dithiophosphate. The latter on treatment with dimethyl malate undergoes Michael addition to give malathion. Uses of the malathion. Number 1 use. Malathion is a real boon to the farmer to protect the crops from pests and insects. Number 2. It is not a hard insecticide. It can be easily degraded by environmental conditions. Thus it leaves no ill effects. Number 3. The mode of action of malathion is such that the insects are lured by its smell and come to poison bait. Number 4. In medical use, malathion in low doses 0.5% preparation is used for the treatment on head lice, body lice, scabies, etc. Synthesis of herbicides. Example is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. By reaction of 2,4-dichlorophenol and chloroacetic acid, it gives the 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Uses of 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Number 1. 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is a common herbicide used in the control of broadleaf weeds. Number 2. It is the most widely used herbicide in the world. Number 3. 2,4-D is a synthetic auxin, that is plant hormone, and is used in laboratory for plant research. Last use. It is used as a supplement in plant cell culture such as MS medium. Synthesis of fungicide. Example is therum. Therum is a tetramethyl thyrium disulfide having the formula of C6H12 and 2S4 by careful oxidation of NN-dimethyl dithiocarbamate. Sodium salt of NN-dimethyl dithiocarbamate with the careful oxidation, it gives therum. Uses of therum. Number 1 use. Therum has been formulated for use as dust, vegetable powders and flowable suspensions, and also in combination with other pesticides. Number 2. Therum is also an environmental degradation product of the two fungicides, Ferbum and Xerum. Number 3. As an accelerator and vulcanization agent in rubber industry. Number 4. Used to prevent fungal diseases in seeds and crop. Number 5. As an animal repellent to protect fruit, trees and ornamental plants from damage by rabbits, rodents and deer. The last point of our seminar is biopesticides. These are most effective, important and commercially viable because these are inexpensive, cause no pollution and pose no threat to human health. It includes naturally available agents in nature. Example, viruses. Nuclear polyhedrosis virus. In bacteria, example is Bacillus thuringiensis. Last, fungi. Example is Metharaxium. It also includes the use of natural extracts obtained from plants and microbes. Example, azadirachtin from neem, nicotine from tobacco. Thank you.